Namaste everyone. Here I am going to solve some questions related to integers. Question runs like this. A cement company gains rupees 12 per bag of white cement sold and gets a loss of rupees 8 per bag of grey cement sold. If the company sells 3,500 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month, find the gain or loss. There are two different kinds of cement bags. Those are white cement bag, in which there is gain. Rupees 15 is gain on one white cement bag sold, and grey cement bag on which there is rupees 8 loss. There is loss. Now we have to calculate transaction on this. If the company sells 3,500 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month, find the gain or loss. As we know, with help of integers, we denote profit as plus symbol and loss will be denoted as minus symbol. I am going to use integers here to find the value of profit or loss. Solution of A. Its solution will be like this. If the company sells 3,500 bags of white cement, firstly try to understand profit. With help of integers, profit is denoted by plus symbol and loss will be denoted by minus symbol. I am going to use these symbols on this transaction. Transaction is equal to, if the company sells 3,500 bags of white cement, on white cement bag there is gain plus rupees 12. This one is plus rupees 12 is gain on one white cement bag. And here total number of white cement bags sold is 3,500. 3,500. This one will be gain plus white cement. 5,000 bags of grey cement. There is loss plus loss is minus rupees 8 on one grey cement bag, and here total number of grey cement bags is 5,000. 5,000 bags of grey cement. Multiply this by 5,000. It gives us plus rupees 12. 3,500, 2 zeros, 12, 5 that is 60, rest is 6, and 12 3 ja 36 plus 6, that is 42. This is 42,000. This is gain. Conventionally we can get the same value. This one is gain on one white cement bag, so gain on 3,500 white cement bags will be calculated like this. Now plus into minus, it gives us minus rupees 30 8 5 the 40. This is 40,000. This is loss. Conventionally we can calculate total loss on 5,000 grey cement bags will be calculated like this, rupees 40,000 even then. In this way, plus rupees 42,000 minus rupees 40,000, it gives us plus rupees 2,000 only. Plus symbol shows here profit or gain. Here question asks us gain or loss. Gain is here, plus symbol shows here gain. Hence gain is equal to rupees 2,000 on this whole transaction. In this way, this part is solved. A question, this question is solved. Now try to understand the second one. B. If the number of grey cement bags sold is 6,000 grey cement bags, on which the shopkeeper has rupees 8 loss. Rupees 8 is loss. So we have to calculate loss first. How many of white cement should the company sell to have neither gain nor loss? We have to compensate it like this. B. Solution. If the number of grey cement bags sold is 6,000 and on grey cement bag there is loss, so loss will be denoted by minus symbol, minus rupees 8. Grey cement bag, on grey cement bag there is loss. A loss of rupees 8 per bag of grey cement bag, and the grey cement bag is already sold. Rupees 8 on one grey cement bag, and here are total 6,000 grey cement bags sold. It is minus rupees 30 8 6 48. This is loss, rupees 48,000 on 6,000 grey cement bags. Now we have to sell white cement bags so that we have gain of rupees 48,000 to compensate it. Then we have neither gain nor loss. As we know, white cement bag, there is rupees 12 profit or gain on one white cement bag. Profit. Loss is shown here, now gain. Gain on one white cement bag. is equal to plus rupees 12. Gain on one white cement bag is equal to plus rupees 12. We have to make it equal to plus rupees 48,000. Implies that plus rupees 12 into number of white cement bags. It is equal to plus rupees 48,000. To make it equal, this is loss, we have to take gain, then both will be equal, then there will be neither gain nor loss. Now we can transpose it like this. Implies that number of white cement bags is equal to rupees 48,000 by rupees 12. Plus symbol. All these will be cancelled. 12. 4 jar 48. 3 zeros are here. This gives us 4,000. So the shopkeeper has to sell 4,000 white cement bags so that he will have neither gain nor loss. So required number of white cement bags is 4,000. Therefore, required number of white cement bags is equal to 4,000 so that the shopkeeper will have neither gain nor loss. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.